Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I wanted to start off by saying that I apologize that I have not been posting for the past 2 months, having a lot of things going on in my life. So we're humans, we go through stuff, and yeah. But for today I am back with a video. Of course, I'm gonna be using a new palette today as well. I'm gonna be using the Yes Please palette from ColourPop, and which I'm very excited to use this palette as well because the colors are just what I go for. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, then keep on watching. So to start off this video, we're going to prime our face. Honestly, primer is very important. I already moisturized my face as well, and for primer we're going to be using the new e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which I've heard a lot of good things about this primer. It's a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and guys, if you guys can't afford the Tatcha one, then you guys could get the e.l.f. one. It's exactly the same formula. It's very, very smooth and is affordable, so that's a steal. So I'm gonna apply the primer, and if I'm looking this way, it's because I have a mirror right there as well. But you guys, I really missed you guys a lot. Again, I apologize that I have not been posting. I know I have not been so active on my channel, but we're back. We are back, and I promise that I'll be posting 2 days a week. So I'm gonna be very consistent with my channel. So now that we have the base on, I'm gonna start off with my brows first. My brows, because brows are very important. As well, if you guys want to see like eyebrow tutorial as well, let me know down below if you guys want to see a video of me doing an eyebrow tutorial as well, because my eyebrow routine has not changed at all. And yeah, if you guys want to see a video, just leave it down below. And then I'm gonna just, God, no, I just stay in my shirt. I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows with the Fit Me concealer in shade 10 Fair. I'm gonna clean. Then I'm gonna use my Equal Beauty blender. Now that we have the eyebrows done, we're gonna start with the eyes. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the same concealer, and I'm gonna blend that again. Then I'm gonna set it with this Air Sponge translucent powder. So now I'm gonna put some tape right here, just so it could look more defined. And I apply shadow, just place it right on my hand so it'll be as sticky. It's okay. So now to start off my transition shade, I'm just gonna go to the Morphe X James Charles palette, and then I'm gonna go into the shade that's gonna be my transition shade, which is Tune. Then we're gonna grab the shade with a blending brush and just tap the excess and apply that shade right on my crease. And then we're gonna go to the Yes Please eyeshadow palette, and then I'm gonna grab this yellow shade and then apply that with the same blending brush and just blend it together with that shadow tone that we applied as our transition shade. And now I'm gonna go take the James X Morphe palette take this shader here, apply that on the crease as well. Cutting my crease, and then I'm gonna go cut my crease with the Fit Me concealer. And then I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetics brush and just cut the crease. Okay, now that we cut the crease, I'm gonna go into the shade Butter Cake. I'm gonna take that with my finger. I'm going to take a more precise brush to get those spaces that I and then I'm going to take a makeup and just clean any fallouts. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 125. I'm going to take that on the palm of my hand. Take my equal tool sponge and just take some of that foundation and just tap it. For concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer. Just run that out. And then to set that concealer, I'm going to be using the same Air Sponge translucent powder to set the concealer in place. Now that we're letting that set, we're gonna bronze up, and then for bronzer I'm gonna be using my Holy Grail Hoola bronzer, Big Benefit, using this brush. Just run the face up. Now, moving on, for blush, I'm going to be using this Smashbox collab with Flada. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but we're going to be using the Petal Metal highlighter in Rose Mantic. It's this beautiful shade right here. It has like a very beautiful rose gold, which I love. So then I'm gonna apply that with this BH Cosmetics brush and just blend it in. Just apply that right on the cheek. As you guys can see, it adds that luminosity right here, which I love. I'm gonna just tap everything. I'm just gonna be setting the foundation and the powder, everything together in place with this Morphe Contagious Setting Mist. Woo! Actually living for this look. Then I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Now that we have our lashes on, we are going to apply the same, this shade right underneath my lower lashes. god. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Now for like the inner corner, I'm thinking I'm gonna go with, I don't know if I should go with like a white shade. I mean, I'll just try it, you know. Take the risk, honey. I'm gonna apply the white shade from the Morphe James Charles palette. Flashback. And then I'll apply that on the corner. That's cute. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna go back with that Butter Cake shade. Just apply that on the brow. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using this shade Face by the X James Charles Morphe palette with this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting brush. Just highlight cheekbone. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia liquid lipstick shade Hudson. This one. That on lips. And to top it off, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I'm going to be setting my face again with the Morphe Contagious City Mist. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And then again, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on my channel, and also press that notification bell to be notified every time I post. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.